This is not just another classic BMW. This is a BMW E24 M6 US version. The EU version would have been known as the M635 CSI. A couple of things gives this away as the US version. Bigger bumpers, front and rear. Larger indicators, sticking out, positioning reflexes. And the engine. PERFECT design in 1976. This example is from 1987. Customer owned and for sale. So if you want the successor to the E9, this BMW E24 M6 might be something for you. Let's run through it. The BMW E24 M6 represents a completely different era of BMW, before turbocharging, before digital dashboards. This car is finished in paint code 138, Zinnoberrot or Zinnoberrot Red. The E24 chassis still looks incredibly dramatic today. Long hood, low roofline, wide stance. One very interesting detail on this car is the wheels. The original BMW wheels were no longer available, so the current owner actually had replica versions produced in the UK to preserve the original appearance of the car. And honestly, they suit the E24 perfectly. Inside, the E24 M6 still feels incredibly special. This isn't luxury in the modern sense. This is old school BMW driver focused design. Everything points toward the driver. Everything feels mechanical. Everything feels connected. And important to the enthusiasts, everything in here is original. Even the toolkit is complete. Under the hood sits the legendary BMW S38 engine. The EU version would have had the M88 engine from the M1. Here you have about 260 brake horsepower from the 3.5 liter S38 engine known from the BMW E34 M5 with a handmade Supersprint exhaust for just the right sound. Listen to this. This car includes a whole binder of paperwork. That paperwork actually included a title from the state of California stating that this car was exported from the US in 2013. And a copy of the brochure of the European M635 CSI. Diagrams of the instrument cluster and what's behind it. The active check control, legendary for those 1980s BMWs. And more diagrams. Perfect for you who wants to nerd through this. Just amazing. This customer-owned BMW E24 M6 US version is now available. If you've been searching for a true analog BMW M icon, this may be your chance.